Students, today we will read chapter number 1, parts of speech. Actually, there are 8 parts of speech. Number 1, noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Now we will discuss about noun. A noun is a word used for naming some person, place, thing, idea, feeling or quality. Noun means the name of any person, place, animal or thing. It means the name of any idea and feeling also. Noun can be of 5 kinds: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun and abstract noun. First of all comes proper noun. The name of a particular person, place or thing is known as proper noun, like Vipin, Radha, Delhi, India, England, Ganga, etc. Always remember that a proper noun always begin with a capital letter. Okay, proper noun means the name of any particular person, place or thing. Now comes common noun, the name given to any and every person, place or thing of the same kind, such as man, woman, teacher, table, chair, river, hill, etc. Okay, common noun means the name given to any and every person belong to the same kind or class. Now comes collective noun, the name given to a group or collection of similar persons or things such as people, crowd, army, police, fleet, crew, flock, herd, etc. Collective noun means the name given to a group or collection of similar person or things. It means a group. When we talk about the groups, the name given to the group is known as the collective noun, such as people, crowd, army, and so on. Now comes material noun, the name given to a material or substance of which things are made. The name given to a material or substance from which things are made are known as material noun, like iron, gold, milk, meat, leather, wool. Okay. Now comes abstract noun, the name given to a quality, state, or action. It means the name given to the quality, state, or action. It means the name given to a feeling, ideas, or emotion are known as abstract noun, like goodness, kindness, laughter, theft, childhood, boyhood, sleep, sickness, etc. The name of arts and sciences are also known as abstract nouns, such as philosophy, music, chemistry, physics, etc. So, abstract noun means the name given to a quality, state of emotion, feelings, and so on. Now comes pronoun. A pronoun is a word used in place of noun. Pronoun are those words which are used in place of noun. Okay, like he, she, it, we, etc. Pronoun can be different kinds: personal, demonstrative, relative, interrogative, indefinite, distributive, and reciprocal. Okay. First of all, personal pronoun. Personal pronoun are of 3 kinds also: first person, second person, and third person. In first person, we use I, me, mine, myself, we, us, ours, and ourselves. Second person, you, yours, yourself, and yourselves. Third person, he, his, him, himself, she, her, hers, herself, it, its, itself, they, their, them, themselves. Now comes demonstrative. In case of demonstrative, this, that, these, those are used. Relative, who, whom, whose, which are known as relative pronoun. Interrogative, who, whose, whom, what, which are known as interrogative pronoun. Now comes indefinite. One, once, none, all, some, nobody, few, many, etc. are indefinite pronoun. Now comes distributive. Each, either, neither. These are distributive. Reciprocal, each other and one another are called reciprocal pronoun. Both one another and each other can be used for two or more persons, places, or things. But one another is usually preferred when there are more than 2 persons, places, or things. Like the two brothers hated each other. We can write like the two brothers hated one another. All the brothers hated one another. We can't write like all the brothers hated each other, because each other and one another both can be used for 2 or more than 2 persons, but one another is preferred only when there are more than 2 persons, places, or things. Possessive pronoun and possessive adjective. What is the difference between the two terms? Possessive pronoun show ownership, but it does not come before a noun or in a noun phrase. It cannot be used to replace a noun. And a possessive adjective is an adjective to show ownership, but it comes before a noun and let us know whom the noun belongs. Like this book is mine. Mine is a pronoun because it does not come before a noun. It comes after a noun. This is my book. Book is a noun, so mine is come before a noun, so it's an adjective. Each took his turn. Pronoun. Each boy took his turn is an adjective because boy is a noun. Which of these book is yours? Pronoun. Which book is yours? Adjective. What are you reading? Pronoun. What book are you reading? Adjective. So possessive pronoun does not come before a noun, but possessive adjective it comes before a noun. Points to remember: my, our, your, his, and her are possessive adjectives, and mine, ours, yours, his, and hers are possessive pronouns. Now comes adjective. An adjective is a word that qualifies or adds to the meaning of a noun or pronoun. Students, what is meant by adjective? Adjective are those words that qualify and or add the meaning of a noun or pronoun. It means adjective are those words which define the quality or quantity of any noun or any pronoun. Adjective can be of 10 kinds. First one, proper: Indian, Chinese, American, England, Punjabi, etc. Descriptive: we describe the noun or pronoun. Brave, good, bad, sick, tall, large, black, careful, etc. Quantitative: we show the quantity of noun or pronoun. Much, little, no, some, any, whole, all, enough, etc. Quantitative. Now comes numeral. Definite. Definite are also two kinds: cardinal, ordinal. Cardinal 1, 2, 3, 4. Ordinal first, second, third, fourth. Indefinite: all, some, enough, no, many, few, several, etc. Distributive: each, every, either, neither. Now comes demonstrative: this, that, these, those, such, same. Interrogative: what, which, whose. Possessive: my, our, your, his, her, its, their. Emphasizing: own, very. Exclamatory: what. Articles: definite, indefinite. Definite the, indefinite a and an. Okay, so adjective means the word that qualifies or add to the meaning of a noun or pronoun. It means it shows the quality and quantity of a noun or pronoun.